Hey there, welcome to our awesome YouTube channel, A Family Travels. I'm thrilled you're here. We've got a ton of exciting content lined up just for you, from travel adventures to walking tours and everything in between. If you're enjoying what you see, make sure to hit that like button below. It really helps us out and lets us know you're loving the content. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new video. We've got some incredible stuff planned, and we wouldn't want you to miss out on any of it. And hey, we want to hear from you too. Drop a comment down below, share your thoughts, ideas, or even just say hi. We love engaging with our community and hearing what you have to say. So sit back, relax, and get ready for an amazing journey with us. Thanks for tuning in. Let's create some awesome memories together.